No, it's custard. That's custard. So it's fruit that they roll out here. They dry it out and sell it.
តែខ្ញុំក៏វិលឆេះវាឆេះងុំ
យើងសោកផ្សេង
វាឆេះទៅវាអត់សឹមផ្សេង So this is the grains or the rice. This is actually not seasonal. Mainly we do it in the beginning of the rice harvesting. But we also could do this every time, and we just make the different process. You know, for the beginning we don't need to put the rice in the water. We just collect the rice, the first time of the rice, and just get it and make it like the rice pounding. But here, you know, we need to tell them in 1 day in advance, and then they keep this rice in the water about like 5 hours or a little bit more. Yes, yeah, and then the rice will be a little bit soft. Yes, soft. After this, they will fry the rice. Yes, in the fry pan over here. Yes, they fry until it pop. Yeah, and you need to spend about like a few minutes for the rice pop. After pop, no oil, without oil. Yeah, just fry, no oil. And then they use this stick, this kind. So they use this stick and the pounding over here. Yes, for pound. And also, this is the bamboo for churning. They have to stir, you know. They have to stir like this. So you will see about 5 minutes more, a few minutes more. And this is the kind of our traditional, we call it cake. Yes, because during the water festival, we always on the full moon night, we arrange with the coconut juice, with coconut meat, and also banana mixed together with the rice. We call ombok in Khmer. Ombok it means like you for example, like you are friends, you like Danny bring one to Robin to eat, and Robin bring one piece to Danny to eat. So we call ombok. Yeah. And this ceremony also they arrange for to say thank you to the god of the rain, you know, the god of the earth, the god of the wind, the god of the sun. So all the gods that could allow the people to farm rice, you know. If we don't have rain, we don't have land, we don't have wind, we don't have sun, we cannot farm the rice. So this is the way that they believe. Yes. It's to play in the middle of November, during the water festival. Yeah, during the water festival. Yes. In this area we harvest in also the beginning of November, the rice harvesting. We have many term of rice. We have 3 term of rice: short term rice and long term rice. Sorry, short term, medium and long term. Yes, but in this area the people they farming only the short term and the medium. Yes, for the short term one they harvest in the beginning of November and finish around January, and start again the medium one in February, in the beginning of this month, February. Yes. But for the long term one, mostly they grow in Battambang, because they got the long term one, they need much water than the short term one. So now it's getting pop. Yeah. Yeah. Apart from is it pop? Yeah. Yeah. So first they will show you, yeah. Yeah. Ông anh công ty lên ông anh nè, bộ bên này dày nữa, ta.
Mẹ dạy ta mà.
Bộ gì, bà hai con thịt. Nấu như thế này. So they have to turn. Just they first they will show you. Yeah. Yeah, they will show you. Yeah. So and then your turn.
Super is good.
So then they will see how it's finished. After this, they will collect to the bamboo try, yeah, bamboo try over here. And they will use this bamboo try for split out between the husk and the flattening rice. So they will do it later after finish. Yes. So they start again now for fry the crunch of the rice. Yes. The turn. Who's gonna help her? Danny.
I gotta do it all
Yeah.
then.
Come on.
Yeah. Slowly, you go slowly and yeah, you go slowly and strong. Not faster, stronger. Yeah, slowly and strong. Yeah, it works. So who turn?
Okay.
You. Yeah.
Okay, who's going first?
Yeah. So you go first. It's hard work.
Yeah, that's the rhythm. Sorry. Got it.
À, được.
Like an even. Get my body weight behind it.
It's good exercise.
Yes, very good exercise.
Good exercise. Yeah.
Con hồi khôi ở làm bén phim bén
After we mix with some banana, we put with coconut juice. We have coconut juice. But sometimes for the Khmer flavor, they put some sugar, little bit sugar. Yes. But I think for you, banana and juice, coconut juice is enough.
For you,
For Cambodia, we like sweet and also we but for Cambodian flavor we use white hand like. But for you we need the yeah. Maybe we need more banana. If someone give me a hand to fill out the. I think all.
That way everyone here.
I'm not gonna keep the money.
Đó rồi. Một đòn tiệt sạt không mở giờ.
Bạn chốt đấy.
Chốt. Pi đòn à.
So yeah, after this we put some coconut juice.
celui d'à côté.
យ៉ាស់កាប់ដូង កាមេរ៉ាបងអត់ភ្លឺសោះហ៎
A little bit hard. So we need to make it a little bit small hole. Then you could control the amount of the juice. So for mix the coconut juice, it depends on the amount that you want to make it. But otherwise, we don't put much liquid. Don't need much liquid, just only a little bit wet. Yeah, I think this is it could be enough. And then we will keep about yes, 10 or 15 minutes. After you
It's
dinner.
ready.
Sorry?
It's ready.
Now it's ready.
Yeah.
But for more dessert, we need to keep a little bit more.
Yeah. Yes.
Mix.